pretty like decent now. 9.98 seconds, like under 10. I like that, like.
Fault number 1. Fault number 2. Now on this one, basically I have lost my suspension settings. The M buttons now no longer work. I can't change engine. Oh my god, it worked. Oh, we're gonna have some fun on the way to Aberdeen now. It didn't work yesterday, yes! Well guys, after our fault this morning, we are off to Aberdeen to go get it read. And then hopefully we can buy some parts and we will fit them this week. Why don't you please take me down? Ba-da-da. Well guys, it was a failure. The Boot Mode 3 only reads the engine DME ECU. So, I'm going to have to go get it plugged in. Or I might just buy a code reader myself and we might just plug it in ourselves. Stay tuned.
Yeah, pretty like decent now. 9.98 seconds, like under 10. I like that, like.
Well, we just went out, did one first run in the M3, Dave's Draggy. What did we do? We came 11th, I know, 60 to 130 in 9.98 seconds in the rain, traction control on, and we came 11th in Aberdeen. Not bad.
Volume, mass, and density.
Is this really happening, Dave?
This is why raindrops fall down
listen to
through
it.
the...
No! You flatter for.
Big ball. And they're trying to tell you that the water sits in it like this. That's not the case, mate, the water.
No!